Hey everyone, not sure if you can hear outside. Well, right now it's kind of quiet. Well, nope, here it picks up. Here I am in Finley, at home, in bed. About 3:30 in the morning. Can't sleep because it's so loud because of the wind. I guess the wind gusts can get up to 50 miles an hour tonight. Right now they're only gusting to anywhere between 25 and 30. But it already sounds like my trailer is like gonna fall apart. My bed literally keeps shaking. I feel like I'm in an earthquake. Just got a special weather statement from the Weather Channel. Just said there was a special weather statement. No warnings, no watches, just a weather statement saying gusty winds with the coming storm. I just looked on the radar that I have, and right now it's just rain, but it's really freaking loud. And either my bike or Adria's bike keeps banging up against the trailer outside, and it's really taking me off. I'm not going out there to fix it, though. It is really loud out. Yeah, I'm looking like crap right now because I'm in bed. But, I don't know if you guys can hear that or not. I'll have to check the video. It is loud as all get out. There's like some banging noise. It like gets quiet and then all of a sudden it's like roar. It's actually giving me a headache. Keep it posted, folks. Later.